Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we will be speaking about 8 worldwide companies that always need work from home people. Please watch the entire video to figure out all the details. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification. Alright then, let's get started. If you've ever fantasized about abandoning your job and working from the luxury of your own home or the seaside, well, you're not alone. As per the recent data from the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis, 3.4 million US workers were employed predominantly from home in 2017, and that amount has undoubtedly climbed in the years afterward. As per FlexJobs, a listing portal for remote jobs, the great majority, 95%, still have a location restriction for people engaged in remote work arrangements. These criteria may be in place so that the worker can attend the employer's office for in-person conference, promote prompt communication within a specified time zone, or comply with employment tax law regulations. That implies that only 5% of remote chances do not include a geographical condition for individuals who want a fully location-agnostic career. According to Bree Weller-Reynolds, Career Advancement Manager and Coach at FlexJobs, a job seeker's greatest hope for securing a work-from-anywhere position is first to locate entirely remote organizations. These firms do not have a physical office or head offices and rely on a suite of digital collaboration technologies to function. Think online messaging, video conferencing, document sharing, and project management applications. The top organizations in FlexJobs databases that submitted the most work from anywhere job opportunities in 2019 were revealed. According to Reynolds, the firms vary in size and industry. Still, those specializing in specific areas, such as computers and IT, writing and editing, project management, marketing, software development, and education, thrive well in a remote framework. It's a frequent misconception that this type of employment must be a freelance or contract function. Reynolds continues, however, the great majority of work from anywhere jobs on our site, over 75%, are employee roles. Job candidates interested in these positions should emphasize communication and teamwork abilities, competence with technology, and any prior remote employment history. Even if the firm doesn't have anything open in your industry, Reynolds suggests you might explore reaching out to their HR team or the CEO if it's a smaller company and establishing yourself. Tell them how you can specifically assist their organization and urge them to keep you in mind for future employment requirements in your field of business. The following are the top companies looking for people to work from anywhere. Number 1. GitLab. GitLab Incorporated is an open source startup that offers GitLab, DevOps software that integrates the capacity to develop, protect, and run software in a single program. NASA, Sony, Verizon, and Expedia are among the organizations that use GitLab. Ukrainian programmer Dmitry Zaporozhets and Dutch developer Sites Sigibrandij founded the open source software project. GitLab Incorporated has been based on remote work since its inception. GitLab has approximately 30 million registered members, 1 million of whom have active licenses. The GitLab software was first created in Ruby, with some components later reworked in the Go programming language. It began as an open source content management solution for team collaboration on software development. It then expanded into an integrated solution spanning the software development cycle and the entire DevOps life cycle. Go, Ruby on Rails, and Vue.js are examples of current software technologies. It adheres to an open core development approach, with a core component released under an open source MIT license and the additional features, such as code owners, numerous issue assignees, dependency scannings, and insights, published under a private license. Number 2. Localize. Localize performs translation services for organizations such as Disney, Dell, and Intuit in e-learning content, product manuals, web content, user interfaces, enterprise solutions, and multilingual resource requirements. Localize enhances the global business journey as a trusted global transformation partner by enabling brands and enterprises to reach, engage, and expand foreign audiences. With an extensive range of over 250,000 in-country linguistic resources, Localize provides multilingual content transformation services in translation, localization, and adaptations for over 250 languages. Localize, a language services innovator, provides high-quality training data transformation solutions for NLP-enabled machine learning by combining technology and human intelligence to acquire, annotate, and assess all forms of information. Localize employees work for companies in North America, Europe, and Asia to serve our worldwide clients in the markets that are important to them. Number 3. Wikimedia Foundation. The Wikimedia Foundation is a non-profit company intended for the growing, development, and dissemination of free multilingual content. The corporation, located in San Francisco, California, employs around 500 contractors and employees in product management, computer and IT, editing, entertainment and media, and software development, among many others. The organization supports flexible work and has previously hired for full-time, hybrid, to 100% remote roles with flexible hours. Some of these jobs allow you to work from anywhere. Meanwhile, the Wikimedia Foundation is backed by hundreds of contributors who contribute content to Wikipedia entries. The Wikimedia Foundation is managed by a board of administrators who help supervise the organization's long-term goals and fundraising activities. The Wikimedia Foundation manages and maintains some of the world's largest cooperatively edited reference projects, including Wikipedia, one of the popular websites on the internet. Wikiquote, Wikisource, Wikidata, Wiktionary, Wikimedia Commons, MediaWiki, Wikiversity, Wikispecies, and Wikibooks are among the numerous free knowledge initiatives supported by the organization. The Wikimedia Foundation aims to maintain its website secure, fast, and easily accessible to fulfill its objectives of sharing boundless knowledge with people worldwide. Wikimedia was running on co-located servers by December 2009 with 300 servers in Florida and 44 in Amsterdam. It also transitioned from numerous Linux operating system manufacturers to Ubuntu Linux in 2008. It has been running Debian since 2019. Wikimedia moved to upgraded infrastructure in an Equinix facility in Ashburn, Virginia in January 2013, noting more stable connectivity and fewer hurricanes. Hurricane seasons have been a source of concern in previous years. Wikimedia Foundation began seeking a second facility alongside the primary facility in Ashburn in October 2013, citing redundancy, e.g. emergency fallback, and preparing for simultaneous multi-data center service. It comes after a fiber cut in August 2012 rendered the Wikimedia projects inaccessible for 1 hour. Except for the addition of a resilience center in 2014. The number of servers required to run the network in a single data center has been relatively consistent since 2009. As of November 2015, the main Ashburn facility hosted 520 servers, including servers for newer services other than Wikimedia project wikis, such as cloud services, ToolForge, various analytics services, and other network infrastructure. In 2017, the Wikimedia Foundation established the first caching cluster in Asia in an Equinix facility in Singapore. As of 2013, Wikimedia has relied on MediaWiki, a custom-designed, free and open-source wiki software platform developed in PHP and built on the MariaDB database. The software includes programming tools such as a micro-language, variables, a template transclusion system, and URL redirection. All Wikimedia projects use MediaWiki, licensed under the GNU General Public License. UseModWiki, built in Perl by Clifford Adams, Phase 1, initially required camel case for article hyperlinks. The double bracket style was later adopted. In January 2002, Phase 2, Wikipedia started running on a PHP wiki engine with a MySQL database, which Magnus Mansky created specifically for Wikipedia. Wikipedia switched to MediaWiki, a third-generation software specifically created by Lee Daniel Crocker. Some MediaWiki extensions are installed to enhance the MediaWiki software's functioning. In April 2005, an Apache Lucene plugin was implemented to MediaWiki's built-in search. Wikipedia migrated from MySQL to Lucene for searching, eventually switching to Cirrus Search, centered on Elasticsearch. The Wikimedia Foundation also uses CVCRM and WordPress. The Foundation released official Wikipedia mobile apps for Android and iOS, and the apps were modified in March 2015 to have included mobile-friendly functionality. Number 4. Toptal. Toptal is a worldwide remote firm that offers a freelancing network for organizations to interact with software engineers, designers, finance experts, product managers, and project managers. There is no headquarters for the company. The company created personality, language, and skills tests to remotely screen engineering prospects, and they approved the top 3% of several thousand monthly applicants. The company matches business opportunities with programmers from its network and negotiates the terms of each assignment. It expanded to include freelance design in 2015. In 2016, it purchased SkillBridge, a freelancer platform that provided freelance accountants, analysts, and consultants in market research, financial modeling, and thorough research. In 2017, the company developed a vertical focusing on automotive software engineers and designers. In February 2018, it also opened a vertical for blockchain technologists. Toptal has received $1.4 million in seed funding from Andreessen Horowitz and angel investors, notably Quora founder Adam DeAngelo. Because it has been profitable, the company is claimed to have not raised financial support since its seed round. Toptal's yearly revenue in 2015 and 2016 was $80 million and $100 million respectively. Toptal connects thousands of senior programmers worldwide to over 2,000 clients, including massive business corporations like JP Morgan and Pfizer, internet companies like Airbnb and Zendesk, and multiple startups to provide world-class software products that satisfy complex and tough requirements. Number 5. Zapier. Zapier is a web application automation tool that connects and streamlines workflows between programs including Gmail, Salesforce, Evernote, and Trello. BuzzFeed, Spotify, Groupon, and Columbia University are among the clients. Zapier is a service that allows users to connect and automate workflows between web apps. The firm is completely remote. It links to over 4,000 apps as of 2021, with free and premium options. It is commonly referred to as a translator amongst web APIs to increase worker efficiency and saves time by automating regular chores and business operations such as lead management. It facilitates the flow of data across tools and online companies that would not otherwise communicate with one another via an interface in which consumers can set up workflow rules to govern how its automation functions. When a new enterprise lead is added to a Google Sheets spreadsheet, the lead can be instantly entered into Salesforce and allocated to a sales representative. Further team members can be notified via Slack, and the group leader can be notified via email when the new leader is approached. In March 2017, the firm provided a delocation package to employees who wanted to relocate outside the San Francisco Bay Area. Job applicants jumped 50% after announcing. Since its inception in 2011, Zapier has operated entirely remotely. The company employs 500 individuals in 38 countries as of January 2022. As the COVID-19 outbreak expanded in 2020, Zapier established a $1 million small business aid fund for struggling customers. Zapier declared National No-Code Day in 2020 and established a no-code contest with a $25,000 cash prize. Brex, a finance business, signed a collaboration with Zapier in 2020, enabling simple workflow automation between both products. Number 6. Elastic. Elastic is an open-source search environment that creates self-managed and software-as-a-service data collection solutions for analytics, monitoring, searching, and security. Elastic, which bills itself as the top platform for search-powered solutions, assists enterprises, consumers, and employees find what they need faster while protecting against cyber threats and keeping apps functioning efficiently. Elastic bases its services on flexibility and openness, and it exploits these ideals to construct its business culture. Elastic was designed distributed. It cares more about what teammates do than where they sleep. Some positions can be performed from wherever employees want, and the firm has also provided hybrid remote and freelancing options with flexible scheduling. These jobs were formerly advertised for competent professionals in software development, program management, sales, operations, and human resources and recruiting. In addition to flexible work schedules, elasticians are entitled to various advantages. In addition, the company promotes an inclusive workplace of innovation and flexibility in which everyone may grow in their way and develop a sense of belonging in community. What began as a side project to build a search engine for a recipe app grew into creating a whole open source ecosystem based on great search experiences. Finally, Elastic recognizes unlimited possibility in a world of limitless data and uses search to help customers quickly turn that potential into results. The company creates features that help real-time, scalable data for searching websites, applications, and corporate workspaces, monitoring infrastructure, and protecting against cyber threats through enterprise search, observability, and security solutions. Elastic has supported a diverse spectrum of startups and Global 2000 organizations, including Netflix, Uber, Slack, and Twilio, since its inception in 2012. eBay, Wikipedia, Yelp, Uber, Lyft, Tinder, and Netflix employ Elasticsearch technology. Elasticsearch is also used for app search, a website search, corporate search, logging, network monitoring, system performance monitoring, security assessment, which is also used to supplement SIEM systems and data analytics. More than 100,000 people are members of the Elasticsearch Meetups Association. Elastic is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker name ESTC. SwiftType, a developer of search and index software, was bought by Elastic in 2017. Elastic purchased Endgame, an endpoint protection provider, in 2019. Elastic bought Build Security, a cloud security firm focused on policy and compliance, and CMD, a cloud security firm focused on infrastructure prevention and analysis, IDR, in 2021. Number 7. Percona. Percona is a computer software firm that offers programs and assistance to users of the databases MySQL and MongoDB, which optimize databases and improve work across cloud-based and conventional programming platforms. Percona provides performance optimization, network design and architecture, and servers and database automated consulting. The company earns about $25 million from database system support, consulting, and managed services. Percona's services and software support rapid expansion and application development, assisting you in developing and deploying agile solutions and improving your capacity to meet consumer demands. Through sound database architectural frameworks and Percona's open source database expertise, your company can reduce downtime and outages, enhance operational and development collaboration, and handle enterprise risks. Percona was created in August of 2006 by Peter Zaitsev and Vadim Chichenko, and now has a global network of professionals and over 200 employees. Percona's huge and diverse customer base has one of the greatest renewal rates in the industry. Percona provides competitive pay and incentive-structured methods on each individual's actual skills and practical expertise. Percona provides employees with all the hardware and software they need to succeed in their home office, and travel expenses, learning programs, and other benefits. Number 8. Coalition Technologies. Coalition Technologies is a web design and online marketing organization that offers consumer experience strategy, SEO, email marketing, and digital marketing services. Zumba and Harvard University are among the clients. Coalition Technologies is a performance-measured digital agency with a dynamic work environment, flexible work options, and possibilities for growth and progress. Coalition Technologies has previously advertised freelance, flexible schedule, and remote jobs in various places throughout the world, including work-from-anywhere positions for international applicants. Advertising, software development, product development, internet and e-commerce, and graphic design positions have previously been available, and some professions are eligible for benefits. Coalition Technologies also claims to have the most competitive profit-sharing bonus schemes in the business. The organization works on fundamental values that include metrics-driven marketing, dedication to client success, and being artistically cutting edge. Coalition Technologies provides a wide range of online business services to clients, comprising website development services, customer experience, search engine optimization, digital marketing, pay-per-click, and social media marketing. Furthermore, Coalition Technologies is dedicated to providing the greatest strategy, design, technology, SEO, and business solutions possible to assist customers in rapidly increasing revenue and qualified leads. Well, that's all we have today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.